Have you ever walked into a home and felt a sense of awe? Wondering how they achieved such a captivating space? We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Home improvement can transform not just the look of your living area, but also significantly increase its value. In 2024, as homeowners strive to elevate their spaces, certain renovation projects are leading the charge. The reality is that some improvements not only enhance aesthetics, but also come with an impressive return on investment. So, if you're contemplating renovations, let's dive into the top 10 must-try projects that can make your home shine. Number 1. Regular maintenance. Keeping your home in top shape is essential. Think of tasks like lawn care, gutter cleaning, and HVAC servicing. Setting up a seasonal checklist helps prevent costly repairs and keeps everything looking fresh. Number 2. Interior painting. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, breathing new life into your rooms. With 25% of homeowners planning to paint this year, consider colors that enhance natural light to create a more inviting atmosphere. Number 3. Bathroom remodel. Updating your bathroom is a hot trend, with costs ranging from $6,630 to $17,500. Prioritize impactful changes like modern plumbing fixtures and smart storage solutions. Unique touches, like heated floors or smart mirrors, can elevate comfort and functionality. Number 4. Home exterior painting. Refreshing your home's exterior is popular among 21% of homeowners. A new coat of paint not only enhances curb appeal, but can also increase property value. Choosing weather-resistant paint ensures longevity against the elements. Number 5. Kitchen remodel. This big-ticket item is on the radar for 19% of homeowners. Defining your goals upfront is crucial. Focus on smart upgrades, such as energy-efficient appliances and better storage solutions to maximize your kitchen's potential. Number 6. Small upgrades. Simple changes like updating light fixtures, painting trim, or installing new cabinet knobs can quickly refresh a room without hefty costs. These minor tweaks often make a more significant impact than one might expect. Number 7. DIY projects. Many homeowners are turning to do-it-yourself projects as a cost-effective way to improve their spaces. Start with manageable tasks, like shiplap accent walls or countertop upgrades to build confidence and skill over time. Number 8. Curb appeal enhancements. Making a great first impression is vital. Simple actions like landscaping, painting the front door, or power washing can elevate your home's exterior significantly. Number 9. Energy efficiency upgrades. With rising energy costs, many are prioritizing upgrades like installing energy-efficient windows or adding insulation. Conducting an energy audit can highlight areas to invest in for maximum savings. Number 10. Smart home technology. Integrating smart devices is about convenience and security. Start with 1 or 2 key devices to see how they fit into your lifestyle before expanding your smart home system. Now, let's discuss some of the most popular renovations that add value to your home. A kitchen remodel typically offers one of the highest returns on investment, recouping about 70% to 80% of costs when selling. Focusing on functional improvements like modern appliances and increased storage space is crucial for attracting today's buyers. Similarly, a bathroom remodel can yield significant returns, often recouping around 60% to 70%. Incorporating energy-efficient fixtures appeals to environmentally conscious buyers while also lowering utility bills. When it comes to choosing the right contractor for these projects, thorough research is paramount. Check reviews on platforms like Angie's List or Google, and ask for recommendations from friends or family to gauge reputation. Ensure the contractor holds valid licenses and insurance. This protects you from liability in case of accidents on site. It's wise to request multiple detailed estimates before making decisions, allowing you to compare pricing and services accurately. Effective communication is key throughout the renovation process. Establish clear expectations up front regarding timelines and availability, and always understand payment terms before starting any work. Don't forget to read the contract carefully. Understanding all terms can save you from surprises later. Creating an inviting home that reflects your style while boosting its value isn't just a dream. It's achievable through thoughtful renovations and regular maintenance. Don't let fear of the unknown hold you back. Embrace these trends and take control of your living space. For those eager to embark on these projects, visit bighomeprojects.com for trusted local contractors ready to help you bring your vision to life. Our platform not only connects you with skilled professionals, but also ensures you have peace of mind knowing you're working with reliable experts in your area. So, What are you waiting for? The perfect opportunity to enhance your home awaits. Stay tuned for more insights on how to elevate your living environment effortlessly.